Well, hello. Do you always have problems with your beer spilling while you're out in the boat, out fishing? Well, fear no more. You don't have to go through that, and I'm going to show you how to avoid it. Get some Velcro, adhesive back Velcro. Cut yourself a few squares or rectangles of it, and get yourself either a little pot plant, or here I've got a mug, camping mug. And with the Velcro, I'm just going to put the camera down. Get your little Velcro squares. I've cleaned this bottom of this mug with some acetone before I put this Velcro on, just to make sure it sticks really well. So you got your Velcro there. Get your other part. And you want to stick that wherever it's convenient. I find you really want two thicknesses of it. Alright, once you've got your Velcro pads on the mug and also on your boat, then your mug's not going to go walkabout on you. And voila, in goes the tinny. And you can have those Velcro pads in a couple of different locations around the boat. Just makes it easy to not spill your beer. So anyway, that's just a quick hint. Might come in handy. So thanks for watching.